I've seen this question pop up a few times, and that's how to set a course expiration in LifterLMS, so I thought I'd make a quick video addressing that. So if you head in to edit any of your courses in LifterLMS under Courses, here on the sidebar, I'm just going to the main edit screen on my course, and if I scroll down here to my access plan, if I click on the drop down right here on any of my access plans, and of course if you don't have an access plan, that's the terms for enrolling in your course. You can add a new one right here, and on all of your access plans you can set this access expiration. So if you want to say that this access expires after 1 year, you can set that up, or after 1 month or 10 months or whatever you want to set up. This is how you can set expires after. Some people want to have their course only available for 3 months. This is exactly how you can do that. Or you could have it expire on a specific date. If your course maybe filters out once a year or something like that where you need to have it expire on a date, you can do that as well. But yeah, this has been Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.